Hi guys, welcome to this week's episode of Miss Planet. We are so glad you could join us. So this week we had a request for a little something different. They wanted something that was kind of on the modern side. They wanted it to be tall, have a cascading effect, but pack a punch. As if maybe you were having your ceremony in a museum or in an arboretum or something like that. So these were the inspiration pictures, and I tried to mix the idea with a little bit of a modern twist like they asked. So I hope you guys like it. Let's go ahead and get started with this week's episode, Tall, Cascading, Modern Look. All right guys, let's get to it. So these flower stands are super simple to put together. I know that I want to add floral to the top of the stand as well as have a place to hold a couple of LED candles. So I'm going to go ahead and take a 6-inch round disc and I'm going to cut it to fit the inside. I turned the tray, this would kind of be like upside down, so you would have this at the top, the foam is at the top, and you'll see that we're going to go ahead and trace, or we're going to sit the LED candles once we are out to that point, and we're going to attach all of our floral around those spots, just like this. To create our cascade, we're going to use a 6-inch piece of a pool noodle. I just got this one from the Dollar Tree, but there's also a link in the description of that. And we're going to go ahead and take our foam cutter and slice it down the center, not all the way through, just on one side, as you can see. That way we can wrap one of our sections, and I'm using the front, one of the front sections of our flower stand. We're just gonna go ahead and snap it right on, and then to secure it in place, we're gonna use a 12-inch zip tie, and you'll see that we're gonna put the opening to the back, go ahead and zip tie it and tighten it so that it'll stay nice and secure and in place. Now that our foam is secure, we're just going to simply take our wire cutters and snip the very end off. And we are ready to add our flowers. I wanted to add some height to one of the LED candles, so I'm just using a tea light holder. I turned it upside down and use it as a pedestal. You can have them the same height or create some height with that same idea. It's really up to you. Remember, we give you the plan, you take it and you make it your own. Well guys, how did we do? I absolutely love it. I could definitely see this type of a centerpiece at some sort of a museum or some sort of a more eclectic hall. I really just love it. Remember, you can use the same idea with any kind of flower that you would like. I will tell you that in order to get the flower stems to stand like they are, you need to make sure that they have a wire stem, a wire bendable stem. That is very key. I also just wanted to show you it in like a natural kind of surrounding. I hope that this is giving you inspiration and giving you ideas of how to create that tall, modern look that has been becoming so popular. Well guys, if you like this video, by all means like us, subscribe so you can be the first to know when our videos are posted. And if you would like to hang out with us some more, please check out our social media. You can find us on Facebook, Twitter, now known as X, Instagram, and absolutely check out our Pinterest page. We love pinning new ideas and getting new ideas to show you guys how to create on a budget. If you haven't already signed up for your Rakuten account, I don't know what you're waiting for. They pay you to shop. Go on down to our description, sign up for your account. When you're ready to shop, sign on to the account, make your qualified purchases, and receive a check at the end of the month for your shopping efforts. It's really that simple. So our time has come to an end. It always goes by so fast. First and foremost, we want to thank you for hanging out with us. We know you have so many options on YouTube, and we do not take you spending time with us lightly. So thank you all. If there is a project that we can help you with, by all means, head on over to our website, MissPlanet.com, or click right there in the corner to the link. Go on to our website, click on the project request tab, follow the very simple steps, and we will let you know as soon as possible if we are able to include your project in our production schedule. Now I will say, please send us your ideas sooner than later. We hate saying no to anyone, so send it to us as soon as possible and we will let you know if we can fit you into our production schedule. In addition to that, don't forget that all of the links to all of our projects are in the description below. If you just click on that show more button right there, it'll get you to all of the links for all of the supplies that we use for our projects for you to use at your discretion. Well guys, our time has come to an end. And with that, I want to remind you, when every penny counts, you can count on Miss Planet. Please take care of yourself. We will see you soon. God bless.